All right, what's up, guys? It's Luke here. We had no trades on the day today. We had a completely break-even day. There was some opportunity. I'm going to go through it really quick. There's nothing I really liked. So coming into the day, we had two kind of conditions here. We had this 2-hour bullish gap right here, and then we had a 15-minute bearish gap right here. Sorry, right here. So I was basically waiting to see if we wanted to reject that 15-minute or we wanted to trade lower into the 2-hour and then look for longs into that 15-minute or whatever, right? So market open initially manipulates down. This is looking like a perfect Judas swing. We have an accumulation, we have a manipulation. I want to see distribution. So what am I looking for in this case? Well, I'm looking for some type of inversion entry to give me confirmation to long. So what I was looking for was a 15-second or 30-second inversion. We end up getting this 30-second fails to inverse. It puts in this massive wick right here. So I personally just faded this. I think it actually did end up creating pretty much like relative equal or equal highs. Probably could have taken that looking back. I think it might have been break even anyway. I guess you could have entered off this 15-second candle right here. But personally for me, I don't know. I just didn't like the reaction. I got a little bit hesitant there and just didn't take it. I think it would have maybe gotten the 1-to-1 or break even. But regardless, I'm not really mad about fading that, but the idea was correct, which was the good thing. From there, what happens? Price ends up trading higher, and we end up taking out these highs. Coming into the session, we also had a bearish S&T, but as you can see, we end up taking out these highs right here. We could see ES fails to take out these highs. Now, why didn't I short this? There was a 2-minute short rate, or no, was it a 2-minute? Or maybe it was the 1-minute. Let me double check. I don't know, but there was an opportunity. I guess this 1-minute you could have shorted. Now, the reason I didn't take this is because let's look at ES at the same time. ES left all these relative equal highs above, leading resting rate below an unmitigated 15. Now, I'm not personally trading that. It's always going to come down to your own discretion. But when I see all of these stacked highs above just resting below an unmitigated gap, I am not going to short that, even though we do have low resistance leading into the 930 wick. Based on that context, I'd rather just fade this trade, and we end up getting this move down, so this would have played out, but to me, it really wasn't a big deal. I think highest time frame inversion was there was a really small 3-minute, so you would have been entering here on the 3-minute if you waited for that. Regardless, this would have played out. From there, price ends up trading down into this 4-hour. We ended up actually getting like a Trump candle. He said something, and we end up getting a strong reaction off that 4-hour. ES reacts off the 4-hour, ends up sweeping out lows. We do get a bullish SMT. I really wanted to long this, take out this low resistance, but again, just based on the wick stop loss placement, I just personally wasn't a fan of this, and then we end up just chopping, and now we're getting a slow move off of that 4-hour. So no trades for me personally. I wanted this Judas swing. That would have been my A+ setup if we got a good entry, but again, just in terms of entry, didn't get what I wanted. From there, again, didn't want to take this short just based on ES leaving all these relative equal highs above. But again, it's going to come down to your own discretion. We did have draws there, but just I didn't like it personally. And then from there, just this move out of this 4-hour gap. But again, I'm not going to, I don't know, the stop would have just been cooked. I didn't want to put my stop in a random spot. I guess you could have left it there. I think it would have gotten edged at the 15-minute gap anyway. So maybe it ended up playing out now. But for me, just a fade day. We'll be back at it tomorrow. It's not a big deal. Let me know what you guys took today if you guys took any trades, but that's it for me. Figured I'd just knock this out, talk about why I didn't take these trades. But anyway, that's it for me. Go check out the pinned comment for all my links, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.